This week on Coil to Soil. Alright, Coil to Soil here. So I've got the AT Pro, which is, this unit's 4 years old. So I like the old style headphones, and you can't get these anymore through Garrett. I think they have the new MS2s, which I called them and I asked the lady, the volume control does both ears. Well, I like having control over both ears because one of my ears hears better than the other one, so I can adjust these independently. So my hack, if you guys want to call it that, see, this is the old pin here and it broke. This whole thing broke. So, and Garrett did say that they would repair them, but I need this, I like using headphones, and I'm going hunting here tomorrow, which today's Saturday. We're going on a Sunday to that old home site again. So what I did is, instead of buying new headphones for $50-something, or buying this style headphones, which you can't buy them with this adapter, with this end on. You can buy them with the old style, stereo style, but then you've got to get the adapter through Garrett. So what I did is, because I'm cheap, I bought the headphone cable for the Z-Link, and what I did is I cut the end of it off, similar to that one. So I cut it off, and then this is my new piece here, plugged in, and I've got, you can see, hold on a second, I soldered everything back together, and it's nice and loud, and then these are all individually going to be shrink wrapped, or, yeah, your little shrink tape here. They're all soldered, and that's going to go back in the casing here, and then this one's going to be shrink wrapped over the green, and then this one's going to be shrink wrapped over that other one. This one here is a little bit longer. And then my headphones will work, which they do work. So I can turn these up all the way. I think I have them up all the way right now. I don't think they're up all the way. So just like new. There's nothing absolutely wrong with the headphones. They work very well. I think I have that one down. Let's try that one. I might have had the volume wrong on it. Yep, I did. That one's up. And that one's up. So, that was my little hack. Eventually, this is just to get me by. Eventually I am going to buy, I think I'm going to do the Z-Link wireless ones. I'm going to try them. Which, I heard it does lag a little bit, but I kind of do like having a wire connected. It's connected to the machine, because then you get the sound instantaneously versus a little bit of a lag. So anyhow, that's what I did. I bought the Z-Link adapter, and then I soldered everything. I'm going to put the shrink tape on it, put another layer of shrink tape on it, and then put this one on it. And then I should be good to go for the hunting tomorrow. So anyhow, just wanted to give you guys a quick video of my little hack job. So I do love my AT Pro. It's a good unit, and good luck to all you guys metal detecting, and happy hunting. And this is the final result. The 3 wires are shrink wrapped, and then shrink wrapped again, and then another layer of shrink wrap. So she should be fine, and it's working great.